Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through how to open Gmail attachments directly in Google Drive in this full 2026 breakdown. It's pretty simple, and yeah, once you know where everything is, it only takes a moment. So let's get started. First, open Gmail and pick the email that has the attachment you want to save. Nothing fancy here, just click to open it like normal. Right under the attachment preview, you'll see a small Google Drive icon. This button lets you save the file straight into Drive without downloading it. Just click it. Yeah, that's the one. Once you click, Gmail saves the file to your Drive by default. If you want to choose a folder, hit the arrow next to the icon and pick Save to Drive As. This part lets you stay organized if you're like me and have way too many files. Now, to actually open the attachment from Drive, head to drive.google.com. You should see the saved file right in the main section or inside the folder you chose earlier. Click the file once to preview it, or double-click to open it fully. Drive supports most formats, so yeah, whether it's a photo, a PDF, or a document, it should load instantly. If you want, you can drag the file into a folder, rename it, or share it with someone. Drive makes it easy to manage attachments without ever downloading them, which is super handy. And that's pretty much it. You now know how to open Gmail attachments in Google Drive in this full 2026 guide. It's quick, clean, and honestly makes managing files a whole lot easier. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming walkthroughs.